Mom or dad has just entered into a nursing home and you are wondering how it is determined what care and treatment is going to be provided. I'm James Kapralos, an attorney at Waichman. When a nursing home resident enters into a nursing home, there are certain things that the nursing home will do in order to determine what treatment and care will be provided. When someone first enters into a nursing home, the nursing home will do an assessment. They will do many assessments. They will take a history. This is to determine what the needs are of the resident and what the past history is. There are also documents that are filled out that are also used to provide care and treatment and to determine what care and treatment that is needed. One of them is called an MDS, which is a minimum data set, and another one is a care plan. Those two documents are interrelated. An MDS is an assessment of the resident which is used to determine the problem areas of a resident and also used for reimbursement. It is a document that's required to be kept by federal law. A care plan is documents that are filled out to determine what care and treatment will be provided for the resident in the future. It's almost like the map of what care is going to be provided. Now, these two documents are interrelated in that when the MDS is filled out, there are certain problem areas that are triggered, which is called a RAP. The RAP will determine what problem areas there are for the resident, and the care plan will be used to address those problem areas. Also, the care plan and the MDS will be updated at certain intervals throughout the nursing home resident's stay. They are both also updated upon a significant change of the resident's condition. Also, in order to have a proper care plan, a care plan meeting must take place. The nursing home must invite you as the loved one to the care plan meeting. You have a right to participate, and if the resident is abled, the resident has the right to participate in the care plan. It is important that you go to those meetings in order to tell the nursing home your experiences and what you know about the particular resident. Now, care plans address all the issues that are needed to be addressed for the care and treatment of the resident. Simple ones are safety, fall risk. So interventions will be put in place to prevent falls and to make sure the resident's safe. Another one that may or may not be put in place depending on what the risk factors are and whether or not someone is susceptible to such a type of injury is pressure ulcers. There are care plans that are put in place for the prevention and the promotion of healing of pressure ulcers. These are just two of the many examples of the care plan. The care plan is a very important document because that is what the nurses use in order to determine what care and treatment is going to be provided. And if you ever want to look back in time and see what was anticipated to be provided, the care plan is the first document that one would look at. It is important that you go to the care plan meeting, it is important that you ask questions, and it is important that you provide the information needed so that a proper care plan could be put in place. You probably have more questions regarding this or maybe other issues. If you do, call me at the number below. I'm James Kapralos, an attorney at Waichman. Thank you for watching.